today, as discussed, we are going to discuss the impact of technology on the insurance operations and the importance of keeping a balance between technology and AI. So first of all, why we use AI? AI is very important in order to streamline the processes. At the same time, customer centricity is very important because we need to take care of our patients' emotional needs and personal attention. So balancing technology and human empathy, this is going to be the subject now. It's a very important subject these days now with the advancements of technology and the impact. What is the impact on the human that we are ensuring? Okay, so where does digitalization interfere in medical insurance? So I'm going to speak about medical insurance. This is my specialty and this is my background. Process automation is very important and it's very helpful in order to update our database and be able to generate more accurate pricing and more tailored products. Customer engagement is as well very important. Through chatbots, through the digital apps, through our digital platform, we are able to give our clients a very quick response and answer. Definitely, we have as well, since we are talking about medical insurance, the telemedicine, the integration of the doctor with our patients, etc. This all will lead to enhancing the responsiveness vis-a-vis our clients. So we are using technology to improve our TATs and to be closer to our clients in terms of efficiency and responsiveness. I have added some data here to show you the impact of digitalization on our processes. I like numbers, so I will have some numbers here. So today, in terms of claims management, you know that in insurance, we deal with the claims. So today, our adjudication and our approvals, 60% of them are done through the machine. In the past, it used to be done through faxes, through manual approvals, etc. So we have moved to a very advanced stage, and the process of improving the processes is continuous. It doesn't stop. In terms of chatbots, today the chatbots and the mobile apps and the wearables that we offer to our clients through our platforms, they are able to respond to 80% of the customer inquiries. What does it mean? It means that we are more prompt with the client, and definitely we are saving cost as well. Operational costs are less. Definitely, since we are dealing with machine learning and AI, this definitely has an impact on enhancing the precision of our analysis in terms of pricing and having something more accurate because we have more data to work on. All in all, so far, this has an impact of reducing 30% of the operational cost of companies. This is a continuous process, and the 30% might be much more later on because every day we have some new advancements in technology. So in medical insurance, we deal with three main units. Underwriting, which is pricing the product, processing its approval, the claims. If any patient has to go to the hospital, we approve his claims. And customer service. Customer service is very important, and it is something that we have to take attention of because customer care involves staying close to the clients. Okay? So in underwriting, definitely, as I mentioned earlier, it helps us in having more accurate data because we are able to gather more data as well. However, on the other side, there might be some discrimination, algorithmic errors. In addition to that, we cannot rely on machines and digitalization in all our processes, even if we are talking numbers and pricing. Why? Because there are some areas that the machine is not able to capture, like the regulatory changes, the inflation that is going to happen, any new hospital that has been introduced with some high prices, etc., etc. So we always have to combine between the human factor and digitalization. On the claims processing side, yes, we have now automated workflows. We have smart systems that do automatic approvals, and the client has to wait less on getting his approval now. It's online real time that we do now. However, on the other side, there might be some algorithmic mistakes. We are not talking about, we are talking in general, okay, that might have some impact on the claim denial and overdependence on software. Customer service, yes, we have automated FAQs, we have our chatbots, etc. But on the other side, the client, what he wants, he wants someone to take care of him on a personal level. We didn't reach a stage where we are totally depending on AI, especially on customer service side. So we need someone to tell the patient, we take care of you, we care about you, we care about your medical condition, we are here to support and help you. These are very quick statistics related to the cons of HR, digitalization. What are the bad things that we can see in digitalization? These are information taken from the web. It doesn't relate it is an international info, and I have put the source here without mentioning the name of the insurance companies. So there was one international company that had 300,000 claims denied in a period of 2 months. So this was very high due to an algorithm error. In addition to that, there was one company which was related to pricing. Pricing is very important, that had 90% error. You know what does it mean? It means that all the P&L of the company will be affected if you do a wrong pricing. All the process and everything else is wrong. In addition to that, a lot of doctors today, they say that AI has a negative impact on patient outcomes. In some instances, you need to have the interpersonal relationship kept between you and the client. Okay, what is the role of empathy in medical insurance? When we talk medical insurance, it means the medical health of the member, and this is something very critical. It's not like any other lines. So empathy is very important, especially when a client is facing a medical condition, a serious one, that needs immediate attention and personal attention to calm his stress. And so it's very important to give the patient the emotional support. When you are closer to your client, you build a bond between you and your clients. So this is very important as well. This is the importance of keeping the human touch. In addition to that, claims processing is important, but you have as well, when you deal with the claims, you have to keep a line between digital and personal. And you have to draw your algorithm in a way that gray areas are dealt by humans, not by machines. What shall we do to make the proper balance between digitalization and the well-being of the clients? There are new models today that, especially when responding to our clients, that interpret the emotion and the tone of the person, and accordingly, it has more empathetic response. So it's very important. This is being worked on currently. It is not yet ready, but it will come soon. We have to be, as mentioned earlier, we have to be ready to interfere as an insurance company when the system has a complex situation to face. So it's all done through algorithms that we put. And in addition to that, we are using today the medical data on our CRM to stay close to the client, because now we know his history, so we are able to approach the client in a more empathetic way. And our employees should always be ready to treat any case that is not well managed by AI. So now, SEIB. SEIB is the insurance company that I'm representing. SEIB is a local Qatari company present in the market since more than 15 years. what is the difference between SEIB and other companies, with all my due respect to all other companies? Number one, SEIB equal customer service, human attention. So if you are talking about SEIB, we are the only company that has a dedicated customer service within the medical operation. Usually the customer service, it attends all the companies, all other areas. But in SEIB, the medical department has its own customer service to make sure that we don't make mistakes and we attend our clients on time and as they deserve. Definitely, we understand the cultural differences as well. So our employees are there, they speak many languages, they understand the cultural diversity. So it's very important when you call a client, the company, to make sure that I understand what you mean, what is acceptable, what is not acceptable for you as a client. In addition to that, we are very close to the HR, since now we are talking to HR people. So SEIB is very well known to create custom-made plans depending on the needs of the company. And the flexibility is very important here. We have pre-priced products, but most of our products are tailor-made to the needs of the clients, and this is very important as well. In addition to our human empathy and customer-centric approach, definitely we rely a lot on analytics because we are a progressing company. However, the importance here is to make the proper balance between technology and personal care about our clients. SEIB is insuring its clients inside Qatar and region and worldwide. We are ready, and we are ready to help our clients wherever they are through our platforms, through our call center, through our people who are there all the time. So I hope that it was a very short presentation, but it's very important to draw the line and to make the proper combination between AI, digitalization, and the human attention, especially when dealing with medical insurance. We have to update our algorithms accordingly. We have to make sure that everything is going well and that our clients are happy and satisfied. We have our booth outside. We are ready and we'll be happy to attend to your inquiries. And I would like to thank you for your time and for your attention. Thank you.